We are going to see how to use Topper app from student side. It is one of the best application across India. Just type topr.in, click here. For new students, it will be mentioned register. And for those who have already registered, they can go to login. For registration, already video has been posted. For login, what we have to do, just you can click login, and I'm just selecting one student ID and password. So various options will be there, those who have subscribed here. Now this is foundation class 8. Same way, whatever classes are there, that is subscribed package, available package and expired package. Let's talk about foundation class 8 itself. What are the options available in that? And one more thing I would like to inform here. The student can write unlimited free test, weekly test for class 7, 8, 9, 10. These are all free test. Any student across nation can write the test and they can know their ranking as well. We click here foundation class 8 and then you find here chapter wise test. Just I will highlight here. This is chapter wise test. So any chapter wise test a student want to write, they can write by clicking here. Mock test means once we create a test, and then weekly ones, there the test we are conducting through weekly test, which is free, accessible for anyone. This is paid services actually with very nominal cost. Flashcard means which is for learning. Any student can learn whatever like videos learning, chapter wise notes, those things are available here in this flashcard. They can simply click here and then go for that. Available subject it is showing now 13. So total 13 subjects are available now. By chance you are writing test, it gets interrupted in between, so you have to click on that resume test and then again click and then go back. And whatever you have done test till now, test analysis report, here we can find complete test history. Okay, so we'll be going for flashcard now. We'll learn one by one, chapter wise test. Once you click here, these are the available subjects where you can write a test. Okay, and let's select any one, example for mathematics, and here subjects will be available. Now two chapters, suppose the child had learned, he wished to write total 10 questions, 10 minutes, I'm writing 10. Just for demonstration I'm putting here. Now generate test. Now test has come here. You are able to see a term of an equation can be transposed to the other side by changing its fill in the blanks. So that can be written. Suppose you write something XYZ. Then save and next. We have to click save and next. The denominator of the rational number is greater than the all these things you solve, and then after that whatever you feel you can write a value, then go to save and next. Here color automatically gets changed. Red means not answered, answered, and all these things. Now suppose I'm not writing anything, I'm going for save and next, so it becomes red itself. You are able to see here. And by chance if I am jumping here to 8, fifth color is not answered. You are able to see this, it is not answered. So whatever you wanted to say, the consecutive number whose sum is 12 are, what are those consecutive numbers? First number could be 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can write here 3, 4, 5. You can solve by that. Just it is for demonstration I am writing. If you feel like this question is incorrect, you can click here. This question seems to be incorrect. And if you feel like marked and review, so this color has been changed, even though after submitting something A, B, C, D, but still 3, 4 and 8 questions are not answered, we can directly go for third question and we can write something. Save and next. Fourth also. Save and next. Fifth also. Save and next. And then if we wanted to submit, we can go and submit this. Here submit option is there. Do you want to submit the online test? Yes, go for yes. And you'll be saving the answer, how much you got. Total number of correct answer is 2, wrong answer 6 out of 10. Total score is 5. There is a negative marking as well. You can see the result, you can check answer, all these things. Now we'll go back again. Here flashcard. Yeah, under flashcard we will be having plenty of subjects which we can learn. So the subject, any subject we will see, for example mathematics, rational number. This is important points to remember. Some important notes will be there, and you can maximize this as well by clicking here. Okay, so I'll go back now. So you can see complete details.
Welcome to chapter.
There the videos will be available where you can see the videos. And that's all. Each chapter wise you will have around 30 to 35 videos learning and important points to remember. This is concise part. Same way for all subjects.
Chapter 2.
Now for study material and worksheet, you have to click on that study material and worksheet. This is important actually. In that, important points and study material and worksheet. You have to click here and then it will lead to a new screen where it will be showing worksheet for each chapter, each subject while you will have complete access of these things. JEE and NEET Foundation book 1, JEE NEET Foundation book 2, Vedic mathematics study material. So these are the things, study material has been made accessible to the children. Okay, thank you very much.